So, right now we are playing Fortnite, but apparently, y'all guys are looking at it's just the people that are actually, just sitting there. But in my actual screen, there's actually the Fortnite lobby. So, hold up. Alright, so we're gonna be playing right now. You guys might hear W whatever. Okay. But I want to show you how videos. I actually started on phone, but I'm actually playing on console. But yeah, guys, I will show you how I actually do it one day, and you guys might figure out how I play mobile with the controller. I wouldn't really want to show y'all, but yeah. So I got the new, not that long ago. I mean, like 4 or 5 weeks ago. Oh yeah. Oh my freezing god! This is starting freezing. What is this? Deep fried. Alright, let's try that. So I just looked it up. So apparently, it's like lava. So it's like, I don't know, something with lava. So let's see. Hey, make sure if you are new here, make sure you do subscribe, alright? Thank you. Even though zombies down there say it too. Right when I start, there's two defaults hitting me. A default hitting me in the face. That's fantastic. What a word. So this is just like a food fight, but instead with lava. But how the hell could there be lava coming out of the ice floor? And yes, the circle uses a little bit of ice, so I want to see that. So look at that. Lava. Wait, I am lava. So you are supposed to find or get red supply drops like those. But freaking everyone, they always want to steal them. Yeah. Everyone wants to steal them. For some reason. Probably loud for y'all guys. And yes, this is how I do it. This is actually how I do it. I started streaming on my Xbox. And then I started streaming on my Xbox, and then I started streaming on my Xbox. No, so I started streaming on my Xbox, and then I download with Mixer, and then I download Mixer, and the recorder app stuff on your phone. Yeah, I grab that, and I go on Mixer, and I watch my stream, and I record it. But at the same time, I'm actually playing. So you can actually play mobile like that, but it'll be harder because it's kind of not accurate. If you know what I'm talking about. Okay. So yeah. No one likes this anymore. I don't know why. You'd think. Oh, it's that default that I saw earlier. Dude, there's like 7 people here, bro. Okay. Alrighty. And yes, my nickname is /Ninja. I really hope y'all guys can go to my Mixer and go to /Ninja right now. And please follow me and like my video, my stream right now. Please go do that right now. Go finish and go follow me on Mixer /Ninja right here. So I'm actually looking on my phone when my console is actually running. It's crazy, but you know what? I like to play on my console better because it's more accurate. So yes, I just made up my name. My grandma helped me pick out my name for my YouTube channel, Cornborn Ninja. We're Mexican. So don't judge me for it, please. It's funny. But I think I'm gonna have to change it to /Ninja. But I have an old account that has a bunch of videos, and it's actually Red Ninja. But I'm going to change it to /Ninja. But whatever. Go. Have you ever seen those videos where kids plan out to spend their parents' money over Fortnite? Oh my god, I always see those videos are retarded, I'm not gonna lie. I always think that. Horrible friend. No, I don't have friends. Hold up. That was. So I'm trying to build a base. Oh wow, I'm trying to build a base. Oh my god! You know when you see it though, like you have to get it. That's how you get it, boys. So how I say, when you see kids think they can spend their parents' money over Fortnite, I think that's retarded. I would like fly to like Washington to go slap this slimy dummy, stupid looking piece of looking stupid. Shout out to Mr. Beast though, cause I like watching his videos every day. I was just watching him, and then I went to another YouTuber I barely even know. It's called. I watch him because my sisters watch him. His name's Morge. I watch him because I don't know why, it's kind of retarded. I mean, he's a cool guy, but you can't make fun of Mr. Beast like that when it comes to donating ninja money. Come on, bro, you can't do that. It's just messed up. You can't copy what he does. Like, at least he's more richer than you. Shout out to Mr. Beast. Send this video to Mr. Beast. Right, meow. All right, right, meow. What the heck? Why did it do that? Well, we're screwed. I didn't notice. I don't have any ARs or anything. And hey! What the fuck? So yesterday I was playing basketball with my cousin. My cousin does. Shout out to Nathan Omano. Follow him on Insta. So we were playing basketball, and I was trying to shoot him, and then I fell, and I had two freaking huge, big, bloody circles. I forgot what it's called, on my body, and it hurt so bad. So that's why I'm making this video, because I feel like I'm dying. You know what I'm saying? Alrighty. What a world, isn't it? Hold up. This kid don't know who you're messing with. Hold up, I'll be right back. I think my neighbor's calling the cops. I'm gonna go kill my teammate. Look at him, look at the wrist. Yo, hold on. Karma, just straight up karma. Wow, karma. Right, like karma, straight up freaking karma. Like, bro, that was big time karma. Oh, I did never have karma again. Nope, I'm gonna have karma. Hey, what the heck are you guys watching? Hey, can you close my door? Can you close the door from your room? We're watching goddamn mortgage again. God damn it. If we can hear it, please don't hear it. Hey, can you close the door from the room? It counts and considers as copyright. You can get it. Oh my god, there's a Hellboy in here. This is really that thirsty to kill me. I'm not a tryhard, I promise. I'm not. Wait, this is not my gun loader. Oh, god damn it. Headshot, boy. Stupid, they're rushing me. I'm not playing like a boy. Hey! Dude, I just took fall damage. Come on. You know how rebels do it. They're in the enemy's territory. That's how we do it in the United States of America. Man, this guy's trying to trap me. Wow, how stupid is this kid? Hey, he's trying to trap me and everyone's trying to kill me now. Not these days. We're probably gonna win. Probably. But this mother. My sister's about to be annoying because there's tape on her foot. Oh my god. To be honest with you, would you rather be on a boat? Oh crap. It's gone. Ooh! There's a hater. That's what we do it in the United States of America. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Hold on, there's a guy in midair and he's stuck. And I just sniped him. Boy, it's you again! Chill! You suck, dude! You're doo-doo! Chill! Who's you? Who do you think is you? Ah, you piece of enemy spotted. Oh wait, where'd he go? Did he die? I'm screwed. Hey, someone's gonna shoot me now! Someone's gonna shoot me! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You're a lifesaver. I'm gonna make it fire. Bye! Wow. Alright. Oh, there's a guy down here. Oh, there's a guy down here. No! You're a lifesaver. Oh. Alright, guys. So, here we go. What are we popping? Where everyone popping at? Ooh, right here, right here, right here. Right here, right here. Yo, what up, kid? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Douchebags, can you help me? Douchebag! Can anyone mother me? Oh, you gotta be kidding me.